What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. And on today's episode, we're gonna lay down some white Rustoleum primer on my Ferrari Kitcar. So stay tuned, check it out. Woo! I got 6 cans of white Rustoleum primer, and today I'm going to show you guys how to lay down a paint job onto your car, outside in a carport or at home for under $50. Yesterday I went ahead and scuff sanded down the entire car to 220, washed it down with some soap, degreased it all. So today I'm going to mask off all the windows and we're going to start spraying down the primer and see how the car looks with a solid white base. Let's get after it. It's gonna be the last time that you guys see this car with any red on it. Tomorrow's gonna be all white. I'm working inside of a carport, so most of you DIY home builders will have something similar to this. I just rigged up a light on the roof, so I got some more light. It's pretty windy out today, so hopefully the tarp stays in place. But we got the car completely masked off. I just used some bags around the exhaust pipes and these areas here. If I get overspray, it's not a big deal because I'm gonna be respraying all the frame components black down the road. Mirrors have been taped off, rear window, engine bay, boom. So a side view of the car, everything's taped off. Walk around to the front end so you guys can see what I'm working with here. Just got some tires to hold down the front end. So getting the front end might be a little bit tricky. Windshield's all taped off. So let's go ahead, grab the paint, put on my safety mask, start spraying. All right guys, so this is a DIY $50 paint job. I'm gonna use rattle cans, Rustoleum, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it DIY at home underneath your carport. So let's get to it. All right guys, so the car's all masked off. We're ready to lay down some white Rustoleum rattle can primer. Let's put on our mask, safety first, start spraying. Alright guys, so we are done the first coat. I went through 6 cans of the Rustoleum white primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another 3 cans. I don't care about covering the car completely, but I just wanna get rid of some of the stripes. And this is gonna be a good base for me so I can do all my final body work, because it's really bringing out a lot of the areas that I missed during my prep stage. So this is kind of like a giant guide coat, and it's just a cheap way to, you know, get the car into a solid color. So I'm gonna go ahead, pick up 3 more cans of the Rustoleum white primer. We'll come back, we'll give it another good thorough coat, and then that should get rid of a lot of the striping. But it's looking pretty sick, guys. That's pretty Miami Vice style right there. Just got back from the hardware store. I picked up 3 more cans of the white Rustoleum primer. Let's go ahead, lay down another second coat and see if we can get rid of some of the striping. Alright guys, so we got 2 coats of white primer onto the whole entire car. I used about 8 cans of the white primer. $50, about 8 spray cans of Rustoleum white primer. I got the chassis mount wing brackets fabbed up, so stay tuned for that next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time.